প্রদীপদা, আমার কাছে এত অ্যাপ্রুভাল মেল আসছে, আমি অ্যাপ্রুভ করে দেবো তো? আমাকে সব অ্যাপ্রুভাল অ্যাপ্রুভাল বলে আসছে, অ্যাপ্রুভ করে দেবো? তো এখানে আমাকে ইয়ে পাঠায়নি তো, ইয়েগুলো কর, কাগজপত্র কর। না না, কাগজপত্র কর। বুঝলো? হ্যালো, তেমন হচ্ছে, সাপোর্ট করছে। তাই না? তাই না? বুঝতে পারছি। আর কত আমাদের দেখা পারবে।
ना रिस्टार्ट करो, थोड़ा थोड़ा देर रिस्टार्ट करके करो। सर इशू विद एप्लीकेशन में इशू हो गया, कल भी मेरा भी ऐसा आ गया था। थोड़ी देर बात करो और रिफ्रेश करके करो। मतलब हो गई, मैं 15 मिनट स्टार्ट हो गई, ट्राई कर रही हूँ, रिफ्रेश करके ही किया। इसे करो करो और मेरे सामने करो। हाँ वो तो कर लेता हूँ। ठीक है। मेरा भी हुआ कि नहीं सर, और कुछ इशू है सर्वर में, मैं देखती Hello.
To retrieve the data first, and then it has to display the data. Okay, so let us say, one second please, one second, it got stuck I think. Yes, so here we will say select what are the fields. The fields are first is Kunnar, First is Kunar, second is what was it? Land 1, name 1, right? ORT 0 1. These are the four fields. Now from which table? From our KNA1 table into where? Into table. What is the table we have declared there? IT underscore what was it? KNA1 only na, IT underscore KNA1, where Kunnar is equal to, it will be read from our this field na, this input field in our module full screen. Okay, so when we are accessing any module full screen in as part of our top include, what we have to do, we have to declare that na, okay. So let us declare the same here, we can see. Okay, otherwise it will display the error there, we can see. Okay, fine. So like this we will get the data into this internal table, we can see. Okay, right. Then what we have to do, here only let us say if IT underscore KNA1 is not initial, if it is not initial, then what we have to do, we have to get the data from our second table, that is weblen. Okay, so first field is weblen, the second is ERTAT, ERNAM, what was that, AUART, right? And apart from that Kunar also, no? So let us get the Kunar also from VBAK table, into what is the table name second, that is IT underscore VBAK, where Kunar is we will read it from the same input field, let us say. Okay, fine. Save it, check for error. We are getting one error, ERNAM of IT is not compatible. The data type of the component ERN the type is not compatible. For error once again, yes, there is no error. Let us activate it. Okay, yes, so we have activated. Okay, so like this, when we will press this button, the get data button, at that point of time the associated function code will be captured by this system field, that is psi-ucom, right? And when the value of this psi-ucom will be get, at that point of time we are receiving the data, we are fetching the data into this internal table, these two internal tables, right? And when it is when a user is doing the interaction with the exit button, at that point of time we are going back there, we can see. Okay, right. So this is active. Now let us do one thing, let us create a transaction also. Okay, fine. So let us give the name mpp10, let us say. Okay, gd mpp10 here. Okay, the name should be, the transaction name should be the mostly we will give some different transaction code. Okay, so here I'm taking the same one, fine. Let us say it as what, t code for gdmpp 10 here. Okay, and this here we will go with the dialog transaction only. Okay, so just say continue, give the program name, that is gd, oh my god, this is what, gdmmp, oh sorry, mmp na, gdmmp. Okay, and screen number is 100 only. Okay, just select these all the three check boxes here. Okay, save it as local object, check for error. Yes, there is no error. Let us activate our program. Yes, yes, so object our program is activated. Now let us try to test it up to this point, here, we can say. Okay, say direct processing, right? So here we are getting one input field, fine. We are getting one button, get data. We are getting one another button, that is exit here. Okay, we will press on this exit. Yes, we are going back to the program here, we can say. Okay, fine. Right, now what we have to do here, just go to the layout once again. Right, now what we have to do, we have to make use of these two buttons, two elements, that is tab strip with wizard, and the second is tab strip table control with wizard here. Okay, so first what we will do, we will go with this tab strip with wizard. Okay, we have to design one tab strip, and there we have to design these two buttons. Okay, earlier we ourselves were designing all those things here. Okay, ourselves we were writing all the code there. Here, see the technique, see the intelligence of SAP here, we can say. Okay, just select the appropriate radio button, that is tab strip with wizard here. Okay, just 1 second please. What happened? One second please, 1 second. So here only we will Right, we will draw it. Okay, so when we are drawing it, okay, at that point of time it is opening, it is what it is displaying this tab strip control wizard start. Okay, so this dialog box, it has opened here. What it is displaying here? Tab strip control wizard. The wizard helps you create a tab strip control and insert it on a screen in a program. The wizard does not only create, see the please read it. Okay, the wizard does not only create the actual tab strip control, but also the associated statements. Okay, so all the associated statements will also be created by the SAP itself. Okay, so in the screen flow logic, including all the modules and subroutines, as well as necessary data definitions, all the declarations, all the associated statement, each and everything is going to be taken care by the SAP itself. We just have to provide the information about this, some steps here we can. Okay, if required, the wizard also generates the program and the includes and the concatenates them using include statement. In addition, the wizard generates the include screens that are to run in the subscreen areas pages of the tab strip if the screen do not yet exist. Okay, right, just say continue here. Okay, so let us start it. Just say continue. Yes, this is the second step where we have to propose the tab strip control name. Okay, so let us give it as what, something tbc. Let us say it as what, tbc3. Let us go. Okay, just say continue. Yes, so here it is asking for how many tabs we want to display as part of our tab strip control. Here you can define the tab titles, the number of titles we are going to provide here, that number of tabs it is going to display there. Okay, so the first one, let us take first one, let us take it as what, KN1 only. Okay, the second one, let us take it as VBAK. Okay, two tabs we want to have with these two names. Okay, so just say continue. Right, so here we can say based on the tab names which we have proposed, what it is doing here, it will generate two subscreens. Because on each of the tab button we have to display some data, and that data will be displayed as part of our subscreen there. Okay, fine. This is what, for the KNA1, the subscreen is going to be 101, and this will be the function code for our tab button here. This will be the function code for our tab button. SAP itself proposing each and everything. Okay, just say continue once again. Yes, so here it is asking the names for our for the some include which it is going to be which it is going to create there, we can say. Okay, right, let us give some names. These are the names SAP itself is proposing. Let us give some addition here. Okay, so this is what, this is for the PBO. Okay, and this is for the PAI here we can say. Okay, right, just say continue. Right, here what it is saying. Okay, so these will be the these are the some objects which will be generated by SAP itself. Okay, so the two subscreens it is going to generate, and these are the include which is it is going to generate here. Let us say complete just. Okay, yes, so here we can say our tab strip control is we can say designed here. It has designed, and it is having these two buttons, KNA1 and VBAK. Okay, so the last one, the back side, it is what, it is our tab strip control. Element type is tab strip control, and this is the same name which we proposed there, that is TBC3 here we can say. Okay, so apart from this, it has also taken one subscreen area. Okay, so this is what, this is subscreen area within this. Okay, element type is subscreen area. What is the name it has proposed? It TBC3 underscore SCA here we can say. Okay, right, just save it, go to the flow logic. Let us do one thing, let us test TBC3 here we can say. Okay, so apart from this, so here we can say our this is for the PAI here we can say. Okay, right, just say continue. Right, here what it is saying. Okay, so these will be the these are the some objects which will be generated by SAP itself. Okay, so the two subscreens it is going to generate, and these are the include which is it is going to generate here. Let us say complete just. Okay, yes, so here we can say our tab strip control is we can say designed here, it has designed, and it is having these two buttons, KNA1 and VBAK. Okay, so the last one, the back side, it is what? It is our tab strip control. Element type is tab strip control, and this is the same name which we proposed there, that is TBC3 here we can say. Okay, so apart from that, apart from this, it has also taken one subscreen area. It has also taken one subscreen area. Okay, so this is what? This is subscreen area within this. Okay, element type is subscreen area. What is the name? It has proposed it TBC3 underscore SCA here we can say. Okay, right, just save it, go to the flow logic. Let us do one thing, let us test up to this point. Okay, so say activate first.
না দেখে বলবো যে হ্যাঁ চালাও চলে গেছে, আমাকে দেখতে দেবে।